Now before we begin, and here it is.
From Masters of the Universe, the mighty come to Sodor as we race for the Sodor Cup.
Yeah, but for me this is called Engine Battle.
Engine Battle, okay.
Yeah, so whoever makes it down the steep slope first wins. So we could do just All Engines Go or All Engines Go versus Classic Thomas and Friends.
Oh.
Now, so let me just run to pop videos. And here we are. Here are many versions of Thomas, 2 versions of Edward, 3 versions of Henry, 4 versions of Gordon. There's 5 versions of James, some variants of Percy. Okay, so here, let me tell you the options.
All right.
Here's Thomas, Reboot Thomas, Muddy Thomas, Reboot Muddy Thomas, Paint Splatter Thomas, Graffiti Thomas, Seaside Thomas, Neon Thomas, Rainbow Thomas, Reboot Rainbow Thomas, Crystal Caves Thomas, Diamond Anniversary Thomas, Panda Thomas, Sheep Thomas, Party Time Thomas, Adventure Thomas, Racing Flames Thomas. Let's see, what's it? Shark Thomas. Medieval Thomas, Construction Thomas, Lumen Thomas, Winter Thomas, Neon Thomas, Gold Thomas, Reboot Gold Thomas, Racing Thomas, Edward, Reboot Edward, Henry, Reboot Henry, New Henry, probably part of the 80th anniversary of the Railway Series, Gordon, Reboot Gordon, Graffiti Gordon, Muddy Gordon, James, Reboot James, New James, Graffiti James, Rail Rocket, Percy, Reboot Percy, Duck Percy, let's see, Old Mine Percy, Construction Percy, Australian Percy, Skunk Percy, let's see, Muddy Percy, Hot Rock, Racing Flames Percy, Party Time Percy, Adventure Percy, okay, Monkey Percy, Toby, Reboot Toby, Duck, Diesel, Reboot Diesel, Party Time Diesel, Construction Diesel, Racing Diesel, Rainbow Diesel, Pig Diesel, Adventure Diesel, Emily, Reboot Emily. There's Jack, Darcy, Esther, Hero, Salty, Seaweed Salty, Blackout Salty, Paxton, Reboot Ashima, Neon Ashima, Sunny, Kevin, Muddy Kana, DJ Kana, Flower, let's see. This is Electric Kana, Rainbow Kana, Racing Kana, Adventurer Kana, Hongmei, Peacock Hongmei, Rajiv, Bell, Nourjahan, Riff, Jif, Carly, Muddy Carly, Adventurer Carly, Construction Carly, Party Time Carly, Sandy, Construction Sandy, Party Time Sandy, Adventurer Sandy, Muddy Sandy, Snowy Sandy, let's see, Nia, Reboot Nia, Party Time Nia, let's see, Adventure Nia, Muddy Nia, Rebecca, Young Bao, Reboot Young Bao, Shane, Merlin, Rabbit Merlin, Flynn, Elephant Flynn, Rosie, Bloomin' Rosie, Whiff, Reboot Whiff, Ken, Birdie, Koala Birdie, Victor, African Victor, Bash, and Luke.